I ate nothing but meat, salt, and water for 30 days. No vegetables, no fruit, no pasta, just this. If you've been on the internet lately, you've seen the Carnivore Diet. Influencers swear it cures autoimmune diseases, shreds fat, and gives you the energy of a superhero. Doctors? Well, they're usually a little more skeptical. I wanted to know the truth. Is this the ultimate biohack, or is it a one-way ticket to heart disease? Welcome back to Staying Healthy Tips. I'm Valentina, and I tried the Carnivore Diet for a month, so you don't have to. Here is everything that happened to my body, my brain, and my bank account. First, let's establish the ground rules. For this experiment, I followed a strict-ish version of carnivore. Yes to beef, lamb, pork, eggs, butter, and salt. No to sugar, grains, vegetables, fruits, seed oils, and sauces. The theory here is pretty radical. Proponents claim that plants defend themselves with anti-nutrients, like oxalates and lectins that cause inflammation in humans. By eating only meat, you're supposedly eating the most bioavailable nutrition possible while doing the ultimate elimination diet. Sounds simple, right? Just eat steak. Well, as I found out on day 3, simple doesn't mean easy. Okay, it is day 3. I have a headache that feels like it's behind my eyes. I would kill for a piece of bread, or even a blueberry, anything. What I was experiencing was the keto flu. Because I cut out carbohydrates, my body was switching from burning glucose to burning fat for fuel. During that transition, you flush out a lot of electrolytes. If you ever try this, and I'm not saying you should, salt is your best friend. Once I upped my sodium and magnesium intake, the headaches subsided. But the social aspect? That was harder. Explaining to the waiter that you don't want the bun, the lettuce, the tomato, or the special sauce, and watching your friends eat fries while you eat a lonely meat patty, it gets isolating fast. But then, around day 10, something weird happened. The hunger pangs disappeared, totally gone. This is one of the biggest benefits I found: stable energy. When you aren't spiking your blood sugar with carbs 3 times a day, you don't get that $3 p.m. crash. My energy was a flat, consistent line from morning to night. I also noticed significant changes in my body composition. I lost 8 pounds in 30 days. Now, a lot of that was initial water weight, but I definitely leaned out. My bloating, completely gone. My digestion, once my body adjusted, was surprisingly quiet. It turns out, fiber isn't always the holy grail for everyone's gut. Another pro, simplicity. I didn't have to meal plan. I didn't have to count calories. Am I hungry? Eat meat? Am I full? Stop. The decision fatigue around food completely vanished. Okay, let's bring it back to reality. It wasn't all sunshine and ribeyes. There are some serious downsides to consider. The cost. Good quality meat is expensive. My grocery bill went up about 30% compared to my normal balanced diet. Boredom. I miss texture. I miss the crunch of a carrot or the crispness of a salad. Meat is just soft and chewy every single meal. Gym performance. While I had steady energy for work, my explosive power in the gym suffered. Without those quick carbs for fuel, my heavy lifts felt heavier. And we have to talk about long-term health. While short-term studies show this can help with diabetes and obesity, we don't have enough data on what eating this much saturated fat does to your heart over 10 or 20 years. It's a bit of a gamble. So, what is the verdict? Should you try the carnivore diet? I think carnivore is an incredible elimination diet. If you have severe gut issues, autoimmune flare-ups, or unmanageable sugar cravings, doing this for 30 days is a great way to hit the reset button. But is it a sustainable lifestyle for the average person? For me, no. I missed the variety, the social freedom, and frankly, I think vegetables are delicious. Since stopping the challenge, I've adopted an animal-based approach. I eat mostly meat and eggs, but I've added back fruit and some easy-to-digest veggies. I feel like I kept the benefits, but regained my sanity. I suffered through the meat sweats so you didn't have to. If you enjoyed this experiment, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Let me know in the comments. Could you give up carbs for 30 days? Or is pizza just too good? Let's argue about it down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Staying Healthy Tips for more honest reviews and wellness hacks. I'll see you in the next video.